Nice.
Hi everybody, welcome back. On today's episode, we're going to be taking this old dirty glove and turning it into this old not so dirty glove. Start with. First step is we got to clean this pretty nicely. So what I'm going to do is leather knife, more watery. I'm going to get some people mad here. And I'm going to take a little bit of this. Get it all spread around. And there we have that. Now, I want to... Oh, you see this glove is just like butter. This is a very well broken. Now the water is going to take and make this leather stiffer. And I like to have a fist, a hinge, a hinge. There we go. That looks more like a baseball glove I like. And then like that. I'm going to take my glove, wherever it is. This is my current glove. I just did the pink and blue and black laces. Yeah. There's a good pocket for the softball. Yeah. So now I want to put this on all soppy. First I'm going to tie that. Get all soppy. I'm going to break this in two in the pinky. Just like that. Okay, now I got kind of a ball pocket in there. I want to put that like this and put it in the sun for a minute. Okay, let's dry this. Time out. That's better. Okay, so we're going to dry it a bit. What color should we do? Should we do this yellow? I think we should. Like that. Orange would look okay. That would be okay. The next thing we have to do is snip all of the... Now we snip the things. Tell me our dream. Snip, 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 snip. There, now I got them. I am restoring this glove to a better life with mustard yellow. So what I do is take the middles out of the paracord because I don't need them. It makes the paracord too strong and it'll rip the leather apart. That's why we take the middles out. Lighter. How's everybody doing today? Oh, it's already feeling so much tighter. Oh, I did that wrong. Well, my kids are home with me today. This is all I can think of to give you guys some content. But why not? Hi everyone, where's everyone from? Can you guys even hear me? Oh, there it is. Now normally, when I get to this point, I take and I cut this wedge right here. I have a little notch, but it's so broken in that it doesn't really matter. What I'm gonna do is that. Okay, now I'm gonna cut this one. Snip, 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 snip on zigzags. Okay, is that enough? Yeah, that's enough. How could it not be enough? These you want tight but not tight. Got it? So you want them snug, but you don't want them tight. I wish I had a cloth. I wish I had. That's what you get when you let your heart win. Bolt the innards, bolt the innards. Pretty sure that wasn't filming that. So. Okay, cool. There we are. Now we got that. Now, I want to do that. So we're going to snip. Hi everybody, what's up? Forgey Mc Forge Face. This is not forge. I don't think that's enough. We'll try it though. Snip, 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 snip. Oh, the dirty old wet mitt. Yeah, so there it is. Now we're gonna put it outside and let it dry in the sun. I forgot this spot. It's been kind of drying. You can see it's keeping its shape a bit more, doing turn pinky. subscribe, hit that bell. Okay, love you, bye.